Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Cigna Health account step by step clearly. To activate your Cigna Health account, start by visiting the Cigna website. On the home page, look for the sign in option, usually located at the top right corner. Click on sign in to be redirected to the login page. Once on the login page, look for the register or activate account option. Click on register to begin the account activation process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Provide your last name, date of birth, and other requested details. Make sure to enter the information exactly as it appears on your Cigna insurance documents. After filling in your personal details, click the Continue button. Next, you may need to verify your identity by answering security questions. Once verified, you will be guided to create a username and password. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. After setting up your login credentials, click on the Submit button. You may receive a confirmation email to finalize your account activation. Open the email and follow the instructions provided within it. Once confirmed, return to the Cigna website and click on Sign In. Enter your newly created username and password. You should now have access to your Cigna Health account. Explore the various features available to manage your health coverage effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.